The people will have a direct hand in the murder of the political aspirations of Sara Duterte, especially if the senators they elected ultimately convicts the VP. Kailangang malaman ng masa na nasa kanila nakalaan ang magiging itsura ng ating sistemang politikal in the years to come. Whether we ought to support the PDP Laban candidates who will most likely vote no against conviction, the progressive and makabayan candidates, or the bagong Pilipinas slate. Ultimately, the senators must remain impartial and vote with their conscience or review the arguments and evidence and convict if it is all beyond reasonable doubt. Ang 2025 midterm elections ay hindi lang magiging barometer ng performance at suporta ng tao sa incumbent na mayorya, which is what usually is the 2025 or any midterm elections sa Senado. And again, Kongreso. Magiging sintensya rin ang 2025 midterm elections sa mga Duterte sa larangan ng politika o kaya na may preserbasyon ng kanilang impluensya at dignidad sa mata ng masa. Unless it, bites Marcoses in their butts. Maybe the Dutertes could pull a Marcos on the Marcoses by returning to the Malacanang Palace with President Kitty Duterte. And ain't that poetic justice?